I'm Haddad, and the channel I'm working on right now almost got monetized with just 2 video uploads. Besides that, my chess channel reached 10,000 subscribers and got monetized in just 2 months. Throughout my entire journey to this point, I've learned many important things that, if I had known earlier, would have saved me a lot of time, effort and money. Today, I'm going to share with you the 3 most important facts I've learned about YouTube. I have to mention that these 3 things are not crazy clickbait facts, and I'm not going to say that with these 3 things you will become monetized in 10 minutes and you will get a bigger net worth than Mr. Beast. But I'm 100% sure that these secrets hold the key to your success and will definitely level up your YouTube channel. YouTubers don't usually share these facts. Probably some of them don't even know about this, while the other half will keep the secrets for themselves. But as I said before, I will be 100% transparent with you and I will reveal everything I learned to you. So let's jump right in. When I became a creator on YouTube, I watched a lot of content to learn how to get monetized faster. There was only one thing that many videos praised: YouTube tags. Everywhere I looked, there was always a part of the video where tags were worshipped. You probably know that tags are keywords that you can add to your video so people will find it by searching for a specific word. But do you know that tags are almost useless? YouTube itself says that they play a minimal role in helping people find your videos. Then why do people worship them? Well, in the past, tags were really important and played a bigger role, but because YouTubers abused them and used popular words and names as their keywords, YouTube took action and the role of tags dropped drastically. Right now, tags are only useful if the keywords in your video are commonly misspelled. So what should you focus on? Speaking of Mr. Beast, he ran an experiment in 2015 which we will recreate today. The purpose of the experiment was to discover the importance of tags. So he uploaded a video with no title, no description, just a tag made of random letters. He then searched for the exact keyword on YouTube and couldn't find it, proving that the algorithm doesn't care about tags. Then he also uploaded another video, but this time he put the big word in the description. Even though the video had no title and no tags, when he searched again, he found it, proving that YouTube pays attention to the words in your description and title. This experiment is old and people will say that this information is outdated. So we are going to upload a random video on one of my YouTube channels. It will have no title and no description, only a random tag that says this. Now let's search for that specific word and see if we can find my video. Let's put it in, hit search, and as we can expect, our video is nowhere to be found. But what if we add this word in the description of our video, meaning we have no tags and no title? Now when we search for that word, my video does appear in the search results. So this experiment proves that tags are nowhere near as important as the words in the description and the title. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't add tags, but it means that you should focus on the title and the description of your videos a lot more. I am really curious about you. Did you know how useless tags are before watching this video? Leave a comment down below and let's talk about this. And know that you know how important the description and the title are. I can tell you the first secret about YouTube that will gain you way more views, which is repetition. I've experienced this on both of my YouTube channels. The more the main theme of the video is present in the title and repeated in the description, the easier it is for YouTube to recommend your video to your target audience from the moment it is uploaded. Repetition clarifies the main theme of your video, allowing the algorithm to better understand it. You can repeat the words in various ways, from describing your video to adding timestamps and related videos that contain the same words as yours. If you can find a good pattern to maximize the benefits of repetition, your video will get way more exposure and will be pushed way faster, so you will earn more views and more money. But to maximize repetition, you need to know what your target audience wants, don't you? Introducing the sponsor of this video, vidIQ. vidIQ is a platform that helps content creators like us grow on YouTube way faster. With a lot of features, vidIQ will be your best friends on your YouTube journey. By using vidIQ, you will have access to their keyword research tool. With that, you will be able to analyze the keywords used by other YouTubers, and you will be able to discover ideas with high demand and low competition. Besides that, you will have access to more features, from the keyword research tool to the AI coach tool that can give you ideas for your next video and that can analyze other YouTubers' videos. All of it for a cheap price. I recommend vidIQ because I am a user of this platform as well, and if you press the link in the description and use the code THINK, you will have 90% off for the first 2 months, the Boost plan or to the Pro plan. So join vidIQ with a link from the description to boost your YouTube channel to a new level. When I was struggling to get more views on my chess channel, I noticed something. For those of you who don't know, on my other channel I applied a strategy where I used YouTube Shorts as the primary way to get subscribers. Well, that strategy didn't work well and killed my channel, making it useless right now. If you want to watch this video, I will leave a link in the description. But moving back to the next secret, the thing I noticed made a big difference. When I saw the disaster caused by short content, I tried numerous ways to get my channel back on track. After studying other channels, I found the key to get more views on my videos. Initially, I was creating shorter long form videos with a length of 1 to 5 minutes. My plan was simple. If my audience who loves short content sees a long form video of about 1 to 5 minutes, they will probably watch at least half of the video, right? Well, that's wrong, because those videos didn't perform well. They weren't promoted by the algorithm and received no more than 2,000 views. So what did I do? After studying other channels within my niche and finding out that their videos were longer than mine, I started creating longer videos, longer than 8 minutes. As you may already know, if you create a video that's longer than 8 minutes, you will earn more money because you can add mid-roll ads. But what I didn't know, and what you probably don't know, is that YouTube and the algorithm favors longer videos, those longer than 8 minutes. Why? Because the purpose of YouTube is to keep the audience engaged for a long period of time. So by using their platform and being engaged, they will watch more ads, meaning more money. By creating longer videos, I managed to get my chess channel monetized, earning more than 50,000 views on my first video longer than 8 minutes and more than 5,000 views on almost every video that's over 8 minutes. This is a significant boost, and the only thing I changed was the duration of my videos. So even if this seems like basic advice, it's one of the most important things about YouTube. But even if your videos have repetition, a good length, and are pushed by the algorithm, the fame of your video may exist only for a small period of time. Why? Because of the main idea of your video. There are a lot of videos on YouTube about numerous things. The difference between a good creating video that will have long-term success and a good creating video that will have short-term success is the theme of it. Mainly, there are two types of content on YouTube: trend-focused content and evergreen content. Trend-focused content are videos that have their main idea based around a trend or a movement. Some examples are these videos from my chess channel. Even if they meet every criteria I mentioned before, their fame only lasted a short time. Why? Because they were based around a trend that died, so my videos stopped getting views. Evergreen content are videos that stay fresh for a long period of time. Some examples are how-to guides, product reviews, and tutorials. Videos like the one you're watching right now. Evergreen content can be useful even after 5 or 10 years and can help you grow your business by generating passive income from ad revenue. And not just that, a combination that I recommend is evergreen content and affiliate marketing. You should become affiliated with platforms that fit your niche and sell products, services, or courses. But what if I'm a small YouTuber, you may think? Well, it doesn't matter. Even if you're small, you can become affiliated with big platforms like Amazon and sell products. Probably you won't make a lot of sales until you grow a little bit, but because your video is evergreen content, as your channel grows, your sales will grow as well. By creating evergreen content and promoting products, your videos will generate money from ads and sales even after years. If you do this the right way, you will have passive income from your business while you are sleeping. But remember that you should come up with good ideas that will stay alive for more than just a short period of time. This may not be easy, but you have to know that YouTube is not as easy as the YouTube gurus out there pretend it to be. Right now, the competition gets bigger and the tasks, especially editing, gets harder because TikTok destroys the attention span of people and you will need a lot of discipline to keep going. So watch this video if you want to learn how to edit pro videos like Nate12, Finzar, me, and many other YouTubers out there.